What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get into a Cadillac Escalade if the key fob dies. So we're going to take a look at how to unlock it, open it, and get it started to prevent the alarm from going off. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2015 Cadillac Escalade in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in this situation, the vehicle's locked and our key fob's dead. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. So the first thing we want to do is remove this cap that's on the driver's door. How we're going to do that is pull it open like this. Then this piece right here, we're going to push in like that. As you see, that came off. And then just put that somewhere where you won't lose it. Now, if we take a look at our fob, we need to remove the emergency key. That's done by pressing this release on the bottom, and then the key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use this key to unlock the door. And after we unlock it, as soon as we open it, we're going to have about 10 seconds to start the vehicle before the alarm starts going off. There's kind of a quiet alarm that goes off, and if you don't get to it in time, it gets louder. How we're going to start it with a dead key fob is we're going to place the key fob in the transmitter pocket that's located in the center console. We're going to put it in there, and then we'll be able to start it as we normally would. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly. So we have our emergency key in there. Turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock it. Now you can leave this key in here or you can pull it out. It doesn't matter. So what we need to do is come in here, put the key fob in there like that, and then we can start it as normal. And as you may have heard there, I didn't get to it quite in time. It started going off just a little bit. But if that happens, if it starts going off before you start it, as you saw, as soon as you start it, the alarm does stop. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.